Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best orbital polishers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, BLACK+DECKER Random Orbit Polisher. The polisher features a 10-foot power cord that is ideal for car and boat polishing projects. It has a two-handle design that is comfortable to make your polishing time interesting. With this handle design, you can use this polisher from any angle to provide you with enough comfort. This polisher runs on random orbit at 400 orbits per minute to offer you a fine and smooth finish. You can use this polisher for polishing, waxing, and buffing because it is energy efficient and ready for any job. It features a powerful motor that keeps you going even when the task becomes tough. Has an on-off button that is easy to use operate to make your work smooth. At number 4, Detail King portercable Polisher. It features a 4.5 amp motor with overload protection to enable you to have a smooth polishing time. The polisher is built with a compact and lightweight design that enables you to carry it and fit it even in areas with confined space. Has an electronic variable speed that operates at 2500–6800 orbits per minute. It has a proprietary counterbalance that enhances use with a 6-inch polishing pad. The polisher has a 2-position side handle that is removable to offer you enough comfort and easy control. If you have a tight budget, this is the polisher to go for because the price is affordable. At number 3, TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. The polisher kit contains streamlined controls that provide you with a comfortable time when working on any surface. With this polisher, you can apply sealant, wax, and glaze in minutes and with less effort. It is equipped with a simple-to-operate features that are great for enthusiasts and professionals. It has a heavy-duty construction that makes the polisher sturdy and durable to give you long service. Maintenance cost is low because the machine is well built to offer you a good service without being damaged. Has wide 2800/7800 RPM power band that is perfect for scrubbing, cleaning, waxing, and many other heavy-duty jobs. At number 2, Chemical Guys Portable Cable Detailing Kit. If you want a polisher that will help to keep your car, finish new and improve the paint gloss, go for this polisher. It helps to remove paint scratches and swirl marks. This car polisher is powered by a 4.5 amps motor that helps to provide enough power to handle many tasks. The polisher provides you with a unique and safe way to clean your car, polish, and protect. It is equipped with different speeds that are ideal for handling different tasks. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants to restore the paintwork on the vehicle. Have 2 microfiber towels with gentle silk lining to keep your paintwork free from scratches. At number 1, McGuires Dual Action Speed Polisher. The polisher has a multi-position D handle that enhances comfort and easy control for all skill levels. It has a soft start that provides you with easy control when turning the machine on. Has billet counterweight that enhances smooth operation, precision balance, and improves durability. With this polisher, you can easily the torque needed electrically to maintain the loaded speed level. It is ideal for polishing waxing painted surfaces, compounding, and polishing. Has an adjustable speed dial that varies between 3000–7500 wide where this speed range enables you to have a superior polish. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.